Hello everyone, I am Venkatanish, studying in a 6th semester, and my USN is 2SD20AC045, and today I am going to speak about the given topic, displaying the values on LDR and DHT on things speed load. First we will see on the LDR, and LDR is also referred as a photoresistor, photocell, or a photoconductor. It is a specific kind of resistor, and amount of light that strikes its surface affects how much resistance it exhibits. A light dependent resistor or LDR is an example of an electrical component that responds to light. When light beam strikes it, the resistance changes right away. An LDR resistance level can vary by several order of magnitude. As the light level rises, the resistance value will decreases. LDR resistance values range from many megaohms in complete darkness to only a few hundred ohms in strong light. As a result, these resistors are widely used in a variety of applications due to this variation in resistance. The wavelength of incident light affects the LDR sensitivity as well. Now let's study about the DHT11 sensor. DHT11 sensor consists of a capacitive humidity sensing element and a thermistor for sensing the temperature. Humidity sensing capacitor has two electrodes with a moisture holding substrate as a dielectric between them. Change in the capacitance value occurs with a change in the humidity level. The IC measures processes thus change resistance values and change them into digital form. For measuring temperature, this sensor uses a negative temperature coefficient thermistor, which causes a decrease in the resistance value with increase in the temperature. To get larger resistance value, even for the smallest change in temperature, this sensor is usually made up of semiconductor, ceramics, or polymer. Now let us see the code which is displayed on the screen. In this code, we use GPIO setup 13 and GPIO setup 19 and GPIO setup 26, and light pin is 33, sensor DHT11 sensor, and the light sensor pin number 13, and echo pin, trigger and echo pin 19 and 26, and this is a code for LDR and DHT sensor. Now we have to go to the my channel as Think Speed Cloud. In this Think Speed Cloud, open the new channel. Given the name as DHT and LDR sensor. And we give field level first one as temperature, and field level 2 as humidity, and field level 3 as light. Now go to the last and click save channel, and it saves the channel, and click on API keys. When it opens, it displays the key. Copy the key and open the code and paste it on my API, both side, first one and next one. Now come to the Raspberry Pi command plot. Here we can see the, so we have to see the tested program. Type as sudo python thingspeed send.py, and it detects the IoT development kit, scanning the sensor, and here we get as temperature as 29, humidity is 49, and light has been detected. So this is the output of the Raspberry. This is output of the LDR DHT sensor. Thank you.